When I walk through these woods, it seems as though at any moment an elf or goblin might appear. That is the magic of the Laurel Forest.
Laura Silva is a real treasure of nature, a relic of the woodlands which 20 million years ago covered North Africa and Southern Europe, a natural treasure which is unique in the world. The best thing is to park your car and, as we see here, tramp through the countryside to get to the viewing point known as Mirador de la Cruz del Carmen, or to visit the hamlets of Anaga. Tenerife is home to about 140 endemic plant species. To the north of the island, we have the 1,000-year-old dragon tree of Icod de los Vinos, a survivor of the hundreds of years of history. Now you are immersed in the nature of Tenerife, so don't forget to visit the Tenor Rural Park, one of the most beautiful natural spaces on the island. Contemplating nature also means contemplating the animals that live in it. In Tenerife, it is possible to visit whales and dolphins in their natural habitat, almost any day of the year. All you need to do is get on one of the boats departing from Los Cristianos, Puerto Colón or Los Gigantes. And presiding over the island, Mount Teide. This volcano, which has been dormant for 500 years, is the highest peak in Spain and is located in the Mount Teide National Park. This park is a real natural spectacle. Declared a World Heritage Site in 2007. It is one of the world's most grandiose examples of volcanic activity. Contemplating the sea of clouds or enjoying the view of the park from the cable car is something that the visitor will remember for the rest of his or her life. The Izaña Observatory is a world reference point and a place of study for researchers of 20 different nationalities.
Why is Tenerife such an exceptional site for looking at the heavens?
Tenerife is the perfect destination to observe the stars, and there are two main reasons. One is the trade winds, which blow constantly and keep the clouds at a height of 2,000 to 2,100 meters, so that we never have clouds above our heads. And secondly, they stabilize the atmosphere, so that there is no turbulence, which means the stars can be seen very clearly. And also, the Canary Islands, and particularly Tenerife and the island of La Palma, have a law which protects them from light contamination. So at night, the light pollution is practically zero. And from the sky, we are going to the bowels of the earth.
Hello, Alfredo.
Good morning, Roman.
Good morning.
Welcome to Cueva del Viento.
Thanks. What's so special about this cave, Alfredo?
This is one of the longest volcanic tubes in the world, at 17 kilometers, where you can see large geomorphological formations, and we are going to experience the world of silence and darkness. That's really something.
This is really going to the heart of nature. Do you feel like coming along?
Put on your helmet and let's go inside. The volcanic tube arises when a lava flow becomes solidified on the outside through contact with the air. Thousands of kilometers in which to enjoy nature, from the insides of the earth up to the mountaintops, and it's all on Tenerife.